everyone, my name is Pranavishwar and my topic is functions and formulas in MS Excel. Basically, spreadsheets are the most common way of performing calculations on personal numbers. So, MS Excel is one of the spreadsheets which are worldwide most popular and commonly used. And these have functions and formulas too. The basic formulas of MS Excel are sum, average and count, which can be useful for performing calculations in PC. And the functions are in two types, common functions and mathematical functions. For example, if function is a common function, whereas mathematical functions consist of four categories: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, which are known as A1 plus B1, A1 minus B1 and etc. It is not prohibited for anyone to use, and it can be used from anyone like IT members and supermarkets also using for performing calculations, and it is useful for creating a chart, doing calculations and keeping lists